Hakajuk bagi kmie ki kaba ki bunkam banya be ya ki kam ki jam haing hasam bat ki jingtrei jingktah bat ka jingbymioh lat ban Pyllait por bat ki khun ki kti kum haki por ki ba mynshuwa na ka liang ka district child protection unit East Khasi Hills rynkat ka iatreilang bat ka Child Friendly Shillong kila Pyllait Paidbah ya kawei ka kot kabala tip Kyrteng kum ka counselling and communication skill for teachers. Kane gede kalat ban pynsngewthuh ya ki nonghikai ban pyniadei bat ki khynnah skul banum sahkut tang haki jinghikai haki subject bapher hynrei baki khynnah kin yoru ya ki jinghikai shaphang ka imlang salang bat baki khynnah ki ba shem jing kin yo jingbymioh shibun nagani ka kon. Ya kate ka kot la Pyllait Paidbah haka jaka terekam jangka Bosco Integrated Development Society BITS deka kong clarable malnyang kabade ka legal provision officer jangka district child protection unit East Khasi Hills haka jinga donlang upadar Jo Prabu director jangka Bosco Integrated Development Society rynkat bat ki nonghikai naki skul bapher.
Parents as well as counselors in school, but along with the skills that they will receive through the launch of this book also, I hope that it will be very helpful and innovative, especially for our children here in East Khasi Hills. Thank you, Father, for the time you have given to us, especially in DCPU. You have come along with your team to visit us and also to share with us the concept about this book. And I'm so glad that today you're launching this book. And on behalf of the District Child Protection Unit, I convey my sincere thanks for the initiative that you've taken, and especially for the team at
Nakalian jangka office ka jungi bat ka Child Friendly Shillong ni perkhat bah khat sani bah shaphang ki khynnah jangka juk banta namal baki don kam bah ek jing betelenti khamtam haka akor ka burung mat kum juk ru khamtam haka jing muting perkhat ka jungki namal ba bun sien ki khynnah ha bakim yo banya phliu jing mut khamtam haing hasam kum juk ru marki parlo projol teng ki shin ki kilat ki limti ki ba bakala but nakabanta kum kita ki khynnah laradon lengba kan ikakot wala banyarap ya ki khynnah makin yo ya kata ka jinghikai bat khamtam ru nakabanta ki nonghikai makin na ban yo ka guidelines kumno makin approach lanikin betul nanti khynnah makin ya yang lenti ke badai bat banum yalam baklai ki kan long ka bayarap shibun nakabanta ki khynnah skul khamtam skul bapher ka office jungi ka day ka district child protection unit ka badan hapo ka social welfare department badan hapo lo wala shumer de bon sien nakaliang jong ka education department ni Jordan ka ji kandu hynrei nakaliang jong ka Child Friendly Shillong bade kishim me gani ka lat nakabanta banyarap kat tu kat ni ki benta khamtam ki skul ki badan ki jong ki shnong ki ba kidan hapo kani ka jing iatreilang bat ki yo ya kani badan chira nakaliang jong ka government kadi ka district child protection unit ka train ka banta ka jingadai ki khynnah te nakaliang jungi iba kani ru kadi kawei na gibanta ka don kam bangin pekmi khamtam ya ka imlang salang namar kalawei jungi ki khynnah ki digilawei jungi nakata kini ki kot kadi ki guidelines na minta ki nonghikai kumno ban deal bat ki khynnah kamle nam ta ban sam khynnah hynrei baki khynnah kin tip bakadon kum kani kala jihra namar bun ki school hi ni jui barabor kim dadon ki counselor na banta ki khynnah ban ai guidance ki khamtam ka guidance ne kum juru na banta ka jingmut jing perkhat ka juki ka badon kamtam ka di kata namar ba bun sin hi ki khynnah ka jingkut lat kishin begini kini kilat kiba bakla bat kajing perkat pemarwe jongki kim dan shunu ban pai kata kan di kawei na ki jing di pukyang ki bagi yeshem bat ni smuthu ba kadan kam ha yaki makin dan kita ki nonghikai ki pas smuthu ki ban yo ban ai ya ga jing selok kum no bakin nya ka jing berki kam de na ka banta kan ni apart from the subjects bagi dan ki skul kan ni gre nam ta ki nonghikai ki skul bapher ki badan po kanika umbrella jom kanika child friendly shillong kinyo ban yo ka jingara